Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this error. Here you can see it. So it's error 1068. So for fixing it we just need to open our search tab and just click on WinError in one time. Click Win and Error in one time, and here you just write msconfig and just click enter. So here you need to choose normal startup and just click apply and OK. So just click OK and just click on restart, and after your computer will restart, everything will works and you won't see this error again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.